How to start investing with just $100. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought about investing but felt like you needed thousands of dollars to get started, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start investing with just $100. Yep, you heard that right. Investing isn't just for the rich. Anyone can start. And I'm going to guide you through everything, step by step. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make your first investment. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why start investing? So why should you even bother investing? Well, let me break it down for you. Investing allows your money to work for you instead of just sitting in a bank account. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts can grow into something significant over time. The earlier you start, the better. Imagine turning $100 into thousands over the years. Sounds great, right? Think about this. If you invest just $100 today and keep adding $100 every month into an index fund with an average return of 8%, in 30 years, you could have over $140,000. That's the power of compounding. Section 2. Setting your investing goals. Before you even put a dollar into the market, it's important to define your goals. Are you investing for the long term? Saving for a big purchase? Trying to build wealth? Knowing your why will help determine your investment strategy. For beginners, long-term investing is often the best approach because it reduces risk and allows for compound growth. Here are 3 common goals people have when they start investing. Retirement. If you want to build wealth over decades and retire comfortably, index funds and ETFs are great choices. Wealth building. If you're aiming for financial freedom, a mix of stocks, ETFs, and real estate investments can work well. Short-term gains. If you need the money within a few years, you might look at safer options like bonds or high-yield savings accounts instead of stocks. Section 3. Investment options with $100. Now, let's talk about where you can actually invest your $100. You might be surprised at the number of options you have. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, allow you to invest in a broad range of stocks without picking individual companies. They're great for beginners and super affordable. Platforms like Vanguard and Fidelity allow you to start with low amounts. Example: investing $100 in an S&P 500 ETF means you own a small portion of the 500 biggest companies in the US. This spreads out risk and increases growth potential. Fractional shares. Think Amazon or Tesla are out of your budget, no worries. Many platforms like Robinhood and M1 Finance let you buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of a big company for as little as $1. Example: you can invest $10 into Apple, $20 into Google, and $30 into Microsoft, all from your $100 budget. Robo-advisors. If you don't want to pick investments yourself, robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront do the work for you. They create a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Example: you deposit $100, and the robo-advisor splits it between stocks and bonds for a balanced portfolio. Cryptocurrency. Crypto is a bit riskier, but if you believe in digital assets, you can start with as little as $10 on platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Example: buying Bitcoin or Ethereum with small amounts can expose you to the digital currency world without a big risk. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want to get into real estate but don't have thousands of dollars? REITs allow you to invest in property markets with very little money. Example: investing $100 in a REIT means you're part owner of commercial properties like malls, hotels, and office buildings. Section 4. Where to invest. Best platforms. Alright, so now you know what to invest in, but where do you do it? Here are some of the best platforms for beginners with just $100. Robinhood. Great for stocks and fractional shares. Easy-to-use mobile app. M1 Finance. Perfect for long-term, automated investing. Lets you create a pie of investments. Webull. Offers commission-free trading with great research tools. Coinbase. If you want to explore crypto, it's one of the easiest platforms to use. Fundrise. A great choice for REITs and real estate investing. Section 5. Basic investing tips for beginners. Before you get started, Here are some crucial investing tips to keep in mind. Start small and stay consistent. You don't need to invest a lot. Just be consistent. Even $10 a week adds up. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one stock. Spread it out to lower risk. Avoid high fees. Look for low-cost funds and commission-free platforms to maximize returns. Think long-term. Markets go up and down, but over time, they generally grow. Patience is key. Keep learning. Stay informed. Follow investing blogs, watch videos, and read books to improve your knowledge. And there you have it. You just learned how to start investing with just $100. It's not about how much you start with. It's about getting started. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment below. What's your first investment going to be? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.